I'm Dr. Babita, and today's video is a short video in which we will talk about a very commonly asked MCQ question. Tomato splashed appearance of the fundus is seen in which condition? As always, you will find the link to the Hindi version of this video in the description box below. So let's begin. So this is what a normal fundus looks like. Fundus refers to the back of the eye as seen from the pupil, and the back of the eye is lined by retina. So this is what a normal retina looks like. And this is the picture of tomato splashed appearance. The retina of this eye is full of multiple hemorrhages. These red spots that you can see here are hemorrhages. It is so red that it looks like someone has splashed a tomato on a normal retina, and that is why the name tomato splashed. Tomato splashed appearance of the fundus is seen in a condition which is known as central retinal vein occlusion, or CRVO. Blood flows out of the retina through the central retinal vein, and if that vein gets blocked, the blood cannot drain out, and due to increased back pressure, all these hemorrhages develop. Another name of this appearance is blood and thunder appearance. A common question that can be asked is, in which type of CRVO is this splashed tomato appearance seen? The answer to that question would be ischemic CRVO, because that is the more severe type of CRVO. So that is all for this video. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues if you found it useful. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel to support free education. Thank you very much.